Hey, good morning, everybody. Joe Martucci here from the Weather Watcher Studio. Your Thursday, October 25th forecast. And the big story is Hurricane Sandy. What will happen? How will it impact us? And we'll take a look at the National Weather Service to start off with a hazardous weather outlook. And National Weather Service is giving more of a warning. We really don't know for sure exactly what the track is, but this could be our possibilities. Heavy rainfall, high winds, coastal flooding, and beach erosion. And this is effective from Friday until Wednesday, although most likely, besides the coastal flooding that could happen, our impacts wouldn't be to Sunday through Tuesday time frame. So as we take a look at a little more current stuff, what's happening right now, morning low of 56 degrees, well above our average low of 41 degrees. Records, we're not going to reach any of those, 83 and 01, 28 in 1962, and our sunset will be at 6:04 this evening. And let's take a look at our regional or overnight low temperatures. Camden, a warm spot at 59, Newark at 57, Hartford, a rare cool spot at 50 degrees. And as we take a look at our overnight or our regional high temperatures, see Hartford's the cool spot again. That's because we have a backdoor cold front slowly making its way southwestward, and that's why we saw temperatures yesterday around 65 degrees like it is going to be in Newark today, with mostly cloudy skies. Elsewhere in the region, Camden 68, Baltimore 70, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania 68, and Binghamton, New York at 67. So what's our national satellite? Let's take a look at what's impacting us. This is our high pressure system sitting right around Georgia, giving us some dry conditions for now, but this is going to slowly push its way outward. And here's Hurricane Sandy right now sitting right over Cuba. And what's going to happen, or what could happen, is we'll see a slow pressure over Oklahoma right now. This is what we like to call a trough, and you can't see on this map, but if you ever look at a pressure map, which is showing what the sea level pressure is, we'll see a lot of what we call a trough, which is going to be isobars coming through like this, and this is what could potentially move east and drag this hurricane as it moves to northeast back in because it's going to be so strong. But we'll take a look at that a little bit later with our forecast models. Today's forecast, 64 degrees, patchy fog dissipating for a nice day. Southeast winds 3 to 6 miles an hour. For the overnight, not a bad night for the bed races if you're going to be on college at 53 degrees. Winds are calm, feeling more like a late September night than a late October night. And high of 71 degrees for tomorrow. More of a beachy feel in the terms of, not really in terms of our high temperature, but with a little more moist and denser feel in the air as we're having winds again right off the ocean for the second day in a row, 5 to 8 miles an hour. And for tomorrow night, 52 degrees. High pressure moves away, the clouds start moving in as we prepare for what could be an impact from Hurricane Sandy. Her southeast winds 3 to 6 miles an hour. So here she is sitting right over Cuba, projected to remain its hurricane strength as it is right now as it moves through the Bahamas, moving northeastward. And here are some models, computer models from the National Hurricane Center put out. And this is the sea level pressure. We see all these black lines. These are their pressure tendencies right now. We'll see a really strong low sitting right to the southeast of Atlantic City. And this is going to put us at Monday. And this is what we could see as it tracks to the south, as it tracks to the north, go right into our area. But for a slightly different take, here's a different computer model which has this trending a little bit eastward. And this does have it being pulled in by that trough I was saying before that kind of comes in here. The flow comes here and would pull it back in this way. This track actually has a little bit north, and we would spare the brunt of the impact. So keep tuned to us. We'll keep you with the latest. Our latest model guidance even has some of it, has the storm pulling away to the northeast, not affecting us much as all. As far as our extended forecast goes, 68 degrees for our homecoming game, mostly cloudy skies, and after that, it's a little bit up in the air. We really don't know. We could have rain. We could have sunny skies. It all depends on what the track of Sandy is, but if you are along the coast, there will be some coastal flooding and some high waves. And if we are inland, like here in New Brunswick, we could see high winds for at least a period of time in the later part of our weekend, the early part of next week. So that's all for today. You can check us out on RUTV Channel 6 every 15 minutes, or on Facebook and Twitter as we give you the latest on Hurricane Sandy. And as always, you can find us on the web at rutv.rutgers.edu. I'm Joe Martucci. Have a great morning, Rutgers.